Looking for plant-based barbecue recipe? Here's a bold, flavor-packed recipe for fire-roasted kohlrabi served with a salad of tomatoes and feta cheese and drizzle with a tangy lemon za'atar dressing. First, preheat a gas grill, turning on half of the burners on one side of the grill and leaving the other side off. Place a few layers of foil on the half-baking tray and place the kohlrabi on top. Rub the kohlrabi with oil and season with salt and pepper, then wrap the kohlrabi with the foil. Place on the side of the grill without the fire. Turn after approximately 45 minutes and open up the foil. Cover the lid and cook for another 45 minutes to 1 hour longer or until the exterior is charred and the interior is tender when you pierce with a skewer. If the kohlrabi is getting too smoky, finish in a hot oven. Let cool slightly and peel. Next, we'll sear our tomatoes. Heat a sauté pan over high heat. Add the oil and tomatoes and sauté until the tomatoes are slightly charred and just starting to wilt. Season with salt and pepper. To serve, cut the kohlrabi into eighths, cutting almost all the way through but leaving it together at the bottom. Place the kohlrabi on a platter and sprinkle it with molten salt. Place the tomatoes and herbs around the platter. Drizzle the HELLMAN'S lemon za'atar dressing over the kohlrabi and tomatoes. The HELLMAN'S lemon za'atar dressing adds a citrusy, Middle Eastern flavor profile to any dish. Sprinkle with feta cheese and za'atar. So here's our finished plate. Fire-roasted whole kohlrabi served with salad of tomatoes and feta cheese, drizzled with a tangy lemon za'atar dressing. Delicious!